In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a specific item from your Shein order. Whether you've had a change of heart or found something else you like more, knowing how to cancel an item is handy. So let's dive right in and get started on resolving your shopping situation with ease. First things first, you'll need to log into your Shein account. This is a crucial step because everything related to your orders is stored there. So make sure your registered email and password are at the ready. Once you're logged in, head over to the My Orders section. This is your personal hub for all things related to the purchases you've made through Shein. Here, you'll see a list of all your orders neatly organized. Now find the order in question, the one containing the item you wish to cancel. Click on that order to bring up the details. At this juncture, it's important to determine if Shein allows partial cancellation for that specific item. This information should be readily available on the order page. Not all orders are eligible for partial cancellation, so it's key to verify this before proceeding. If partial cancellation isn't an option, you might be left with returning the item after it arrives, but let's stick with hoping you can indeed cancel it. Assuming partial cancellation is a go, your next step is to contact Shein's customer service. There are typically various ways to reach out, through live chat, email, or even phone depending on what Shein offers. Choose the method that fits best for you. Live chat is often the fastest. When you contact customer service, be clear and polite, providing them with your order number and details of the item you wish to cancel. This will help streamline the process. Once you've made your request, customer service will guide you through the next steps. They might need a few minutes to check everything on their end, so a little patience goes a long way here. They should then confirm whether your cancellation request can be processed. If all is well, you should receive a confirmation of the cancellation. The last part of this process is waiting for the refund. After Shein confirms the cancellation, your refund will be processed, although the speed of this can vary based on your payment method and financial institution. Keep an eye on your account over the following days to ensure the money is returned to you. Should there be any delays or issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Shein's customer service again. And there you have it. You now know the steps to effectively cancel an item from your Shein order. By following this guide, you can make changes to your purchases with confidence, making your shopping experience pleasant and hassle-free. Happy shopping!